In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable video notes on your Instagram. If you don't have access to recording video notes, just make sure to watch this video until the very end to find out how this really works. Simply open up your Instagram. In the message section, tap right here on Notes. To create video notes, just tap right here on this camera icon. If your camera icon doesn't show, you won't be able to record video notes. To fix this, head into your App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android. Then first make sure your Instagram is up to date. If not, go ahead and update your Instagram account. Then get back and check if the video notes option is enabled. If it's still the same case, remove your Instagram and reinstall it back. With time, your video note option will appear on your Instagram. Sometimes Instagram slowly enables new features based on your current location. That's how easy it is to fix video notes not showing on your Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.